Hello, welcome to the first part of second video of design and analysis of reconfigurable systems. Today we will start the exploration of Intel's DE1-SoC and will implement a 4-bit LED counter on it. To start, we'll start by opening Quartus. Now, as we have already created the project, we will directly open it from here. Else, if you need to generate a new project, we can generate a new project wizard from here as well. So now we'll open the project. To create a new file for the project, we can generate a new file from here by selecting a Verilog HDL file, or as we have already created a file, we will set it as a top level entity. So now here we will set the file as a top level entity. Now for implementing a project on the FPGA, we need to set up some constraints. So here is the constraint file where we have defined the clock period as 20 nanoseconds. Now the code is an up down counter where we are capturing the last 4 bits of a 32-bit counter on the FPGA. Here the input mode is used to set the counter as up counter or a down counter, with the reset to reset the values to either all zeros or all ones. The counter which is showing the output is a 4-bit counter which is defined as CNT 3 down to 0. Now we'll compile it. Here we can see that the compilation is done. Now we will go to assignments and open the pin planner and select all the LEDs and switches based on the datasheet of the FPGA. Now here we can see that we have already configured the pins. So for count 0 we have pin V16, for count 1 we have pin W16, for count 2 we have pin V17, and for count 3 we have pin V18. Here for clock we have used the system clock of 50 megahertz that has been provided internally in the FPGA and is located at pin AF14, and the reset is on the push button at pin A14. We can see the pin assignment on the QSF file which has been generated. Now we'll again compile it based on the pin assignment. Now as the compilation is completed, we will open the programmer. Here we have to select the output device as 5C SEMA 5. Here is the output file .sof file is loaded. Now we will start the programming of the board. So now here in the FPGA we can see that here it is set in the down counter mode, and here you see after some time, it is counting downwards. Downwards. And now if we do the mode switch as 1, it will again start counting upwards, as it can be seen here. And this concludes our first part of the second video, 4-bit LED counter. Thank you and have a wonderful day.